Oh, there, welcome to EC's workshop. Here we are. This is on my daily life here on the house, around the house. Things that, if it's going to go wrong, it'll go wrong, no matter what I do. I don't care what it is. This morning, I decided I'm going to get out here and mow the yard. Okay, I pulled the lawnmower out of the lean-to and back it up, and I get it ready. And I know it's got a tire low. Well, I go put air in it, and it's hard to put air in the tire unless you hold the nipple. You got to hang on the nipple somehow. So I always grab a pair of needle pliers and hold it, keep it from going in. Well, I did that, and you want to know? I did that, and you know what happens? I was sitting there holding it, trying to put air in it, and hanging on a little tight, and the nipple just breaks off the inner tube. So I had to put it back in the lean-to. When I did that, the tire come off the rim. But it'd be alright as long as I'm, going to put an inner tube back in it. But I'm going to show you something right quick. It's kind of funny. In a way, I got this dog that showed up in my yard about 4 months ago. Been trying to get rid of him. I carried his little puppy. Somebody dropped him off out here in the country where I live. And I've been trying to get rid of him. Can't find nobody to take him. Well, he has this habit of going and getting turtles. But I always pick them up, carry them, back off somewhere in the woods somewhere and drop them off. Old box turtles, Well, he brought one morning into the house. It's still dark outside. He brought it in. I carried it to the house, put it in the box. You know what he did 2 hours later? He brought me another one. And this morning, he went out. What does he do? He comes running in the house with a turtle in his mouth and handed it to me. Another one. See here? And it's smaller than the other two. It's actually a little bitty, smaller one. You don't kill him. He's bringing them to me. So I have to go out here and sneak and drop them off again, put them back, hoping he don't find them. If he sees me put it somewhere, he's going to go get it and bring it back to me. He thinks I'm collecting them, I think. So let's get back to what we're doing. We're going to take this off and take this wheel off, and then see what kind of inner tube I need and go get an inner tube today, later on, because it's right now 6:15, 6:20 right now. Ain't nothing open. It's nothing open right now, so, it's 6:20, and look at my 6:20, July the 25th. And I was going to mow the yard. I'm going to have to borrow my son-in-law's lawnmower, I guess, Thursday, because it's going to be a couple of days before I can get an inner tube. All right, let's take this off. Let's see if I can set y'all up so y'all can watch me. I got it jacked up. And I done did that off camera. I didn't have the camera with me when I done this. Okay. So got it jacked up here. I'll show it to you in a minute. Let me get this here rigged up. Okay. See, I got it jacked up right here. Got the tire off the ground. See there. Alright, got to take this bolt off right here. This nut, and then this bolt will slide all the way out. And so, instead of getting just wrenches and digging around to see what size I need, I got the universal wrenches. Got me some universal stuff. I'm going to use some wrenches I'm going to use. Okay, this is what we're going to do now. Grab me a couple of universal wrenches, and they'll fit anything in the universe you want them to fit. That's the reason why they're called universals wrenches. They'll fit anything you want it to fit. I don't know about staying on, but they'll fit anything. There you go. Get the washer off. Push it out. Ouch! There you go. I got the bolt out. I'll put this back in until I get time to fix it. And see, that's all it was to do. Just take this out. Hardest part's going to be to open it up to put the rim in. I don't want to buy a tire. I bought one once a few years back. That was 60 bucks. But see, right there, that's where the nipple was. The nipple was right there. See, that's where the nipple was, right there. Let's take it in the shop. We'll just set it there in the shop until I go get it. May go ahead and pop the tire off. Get the tire off the rim so I can get an inner tube in there. Okay. We'll see how hard it is first. Or go do that. That will be ready when I get the inner tube. Alright, let's walk back into the shop.